Well, hello there. It's July 14th. It's a Saturday, and it's just about 5:30 or so. And Andreas and I have been working away today. And as we said before, we didn't really know what the hell we're going to do with this because the car hasn't told us anything. But it started to give us a few ideas and speak to us. So here we are. We're just coming up with some ideas. Andreas got the engine all together, and it is on now. And you can see it. We've got a few little ideas here. You might get an idea of what we're doing. It's kind of fun because these cars tell you what they want. Here's Andreas, say hello. Here's the man that puts these engines and makes them run and do the chassis and everything. It's fantastic work. So you can see we've got a lot of modifications to do, but you can see it's coming along, and we're getting a few ideas of what we're going to do. I don't want to divulge them all quite now, but you'll find out. There's our radiator, and here is our little gas tank. So anyway, have a great weekend. Hope to see you at Supercar Sunday. And everybody, see you later.